Excuse me, I'm just gonna call my cocaine dealers over here, you know? They should be coming soon. Really soon. Hopefully. Oh, where the fuck is my cocaine? I'm gonna start going crazy. I need my cocaine. I just really need it right now. What worse can happen to me right now?